Buddy, check this out kung naghahanap ka nga ng low cash out and corner unit sa Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Move in ready, minimalist house. Don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, you heard that right. For as low as 352,000 down payment, dahil sa napakalaki nating discount, ay rent-to-own na nga ang dating nito dahil once ma-loan takeout ka na, ay subject for turnover na ang iyong unit within 1 to 4 months. Open layout, fully finished at installed na rin ang iyong water and electricity, kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na nga lang ang gamit at family mo. Located sa Molino 7, Bacoor, Cavite, gated, small community at hindi binabaha. Accessible sa lahat dahil may transport terminal na malapit sa ating subdivision going to SM Bacoor at SM Las Piñas. And yes, corner at end unit nga ang available natin with big discount. At ang estimated monthly amortization for end unit is 53,000. TCP for inner unit is 6.2 million. No spot down payment dahil ang down payment ito ay payable for 6 months for only 95,000 monthly at ang ating estimated monthly amortization is 40,000. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!